Greetings from the Royal Academy, Ajman. This is Vice Principal with you, sharing the weekly updates. It was a week of learning, laughter and adventure for our little explorers from KG. They went to a mall and also on thrilling rides, learning and seeing the real life experiences, the real life situations of buying and selling, the entire system. And not just the feedback, from talking about the feedback of this educational trip was so overwhelming from both the students, the teachers and the parents. Coming to our primary section, it was a week-long session on clean body and clean mind. Our behavior ambassadors and the student council members of primary section took part in it so actively, and the teachers and the inclusion department gave an active participation on this. It was so meaningful and relevant. Coming to our senior boys and girls, it was a week of assessment and we are completing the assessment this week, and also rigorous practice sessions for our CBSE cluster. Dear viewers, we would like to tell you that the Royal Academy Ajman is hosting the CBSE UAE cluster Handball Boys, taking place on the 20th, 21st and 22nd, with participation from over 20 CBSE schools coming to our campus. We will share you more updates. Please keep on watching. And boys and girls attendance, come on time till the last day before we go for our summer break. We have scheduled our open house. We'll share with you the circulars and the exact dates, because our open house is going to be clubbed with our blood donation camp and much more, because we are in the year of community and the Royal Academy is actively participating in that. See you, keep on watching, follow us on our social media pages. Thank you.